What's up, guys? Today was a good day to end the week. I had about 3.9%. It would have been a little over 4, but I took partials on this just to be safe. It's good to take partials, but it depends on your personality. At the end of the day, if you just want to let it run, or if you just want to be cautious, because as you take partials, you're also reducing your risk. So, but yeah, it's all up to you. So let's get right into it. I'm just going to start from the 15-minute time frame. We had the midnight open. Started right here. We'll drag it across, and then we had the 8:30 open on this candle right here. We didn't have any news today. There was some high news on the CAD. I don't know how that's correlated with euro and dollar, but we had this manipulation before the 9:30 indices open. So as price came up here, this is a 15-minute time frame. I was watching for it to break this high and break this high. And as soon as this high was broken right here, we can go to DXY as well and take a look at that. This low was broken right at the same exact time, 9:15 and 9:15. So as with the 2022 mentorship, you know, it's kind of like a double whammy. If you're above the 8:30 and you're above 9:30 a.m. opening going short, you're pretty much taking advantage of the whole daily range. So yeah, so price came up here. We never got any entry points. I would have taken an entry here if we would have gotten a market structure shift, but it didn't give us that. So I'm going to go down to the 5-minute. So as price goes above these highs, you want to start panning down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm going to go to 4-minute. And there's still nothing, no fair value gaps. I took this on the 1-minute. All right, let's look at the 2 just for shits. So with the 2-minute, this is that first high that's broken here. There's no market structure shift. Up here, we had one market structure shift because we had a little bit of displacement, and then we had another with a wick break right here. And let me show you on the 1-minute. I normally don't take wick breaks, but we had some good confluences that I believed that were in my favor. So this area up here, we had 2 up close candles on the 1-hour chart. Let me show you where that is. So we had these 2 up close candles. Price came into the body of these, a little bit above the midpoint of this candle here. And so I was looking at that as a confluence. We were above the midnight open and 8:30 open. And let me show you on the 1-minute. Pull up the executions. And yeah, so I took a sell right here. I bought it back right here. You can see where the arrow is. It keeps kind of flashing as soon as I hover over it. Took a partial right there. So I take a quarter of my position off at the first take profit, and then I'll take the rest off, just depending on how I feel. I still have a full-time job, so I go to work. I don't want to hold during work, and so I just went to the next 1-hour fair value gap where price came, and it looks like it just went in there and made the low of the day, and it just kind of consolidated around after that. And so yeah, that was pretty good exit, I would say. You're pretty close to the low of the day. You can see the little side arrow hovering right here. I bought the rest back right there. So it was about 3.9%. And yeah, here was your fair value gap. You had one right here, and you had one up here. Price barely came into it. If you go across, okay, with this. So we had a wick break right here, but we also had a market structure shift right here, and that was some nice displacement for me. So I was happy to take the risk on that, and just due to those confluences, you know, I usually am mechanical about having a body break under here, but due to this break right here, I was fine with taking that because I was seeing it as 1 market shift and 2 market shift, and just take it. And then it started consolidating a little bit. After consolidation, you normally have an expansion. So that's exactly what happened. It kind of died nicely and just freaking dropped. So yeah, that was a easy, quick, just bread and butter day to day. So if you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up. And I put the live video on another video that I uploaded this morning. So if you just like a 1 minute long video, if you just want to go watch that, and you can watch the live trade pan out and how everything was managed. So I will talk to y'all later. Have a good weekend. Peace.